He dropped it.
Ooh, 2 spares. That was a tricky spare too, Jonathan. Okay, see if that one hooks. There's a good shot.
There you go.
Good shot from the 11-year-old. See if the 7-year-old can keep his string going. He's got 6 marks in a row. Oh, he's going two-handed again. I don't know if that one's gonna hook. Oh, leaves the 10. All right, we got a 141 in the 7th and a 105 in the 7th. Oh no. This might be the 11-year-old's first open. Jonathan's got the spare. Good spare for the 7-year-old. All right, 2 more frames. Good shots, guys. Okay. Oh, that was a good set down. A little light. Good pin action. Oh, he got the Brooklyn. Got the Brooklyn, and he does some sort of weird spin. Okay, Dylan needs the spare. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.